Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we are back with Kinder Joy. This is going to be a series of Kinder Joy. So I have noticed many people like to see the small collectibles that we unbox, and this will be a part of series. With cars, we'll collect some small collectibles also. I think people like it more often. So let's unbox it and see what we get in this is a pack of 3 actually, and this is the series of Natoons, so we get some wild animals over here, right? So you can see there are 3 of them inside. Let's unbox one by one. You'll see this first. You can see a nice cute tiger over there. Tigers are not cute, guys, but yeah, we don't know what we get inside. Okay, this is a panther. I can see from far away. This is a nice panther, guys. Yeah. So let me tell you, there will be a technique to assemble it. Okay. First, you have to get the second part. This one. Put it as this side. Okay, sorry, not this side. This side actually. Right? See how nicely it fits. Then you have to get this part and fold it like this and fit it here. Okay, then get the third part and just put it like this. Very simple. See how nice the panther looks. It moves his hand like this. Very nicely detailed, and I like the texture on this plastic. This is good. The eyes are good. So let's keep the panther aside. Let's see what we have next. This is a cute elephant over there. Elephants are cute actually. Okay. Oh, we have this one, a lizard, a chameleon, not a lizard, a chameleon, and I think we have to keep it in water and it changes its color or something. Okay, it changes its color. See, it becomes green from blue. I'll post a reel on this. Let's see if it actually turns green. So we have to assemble it. That's the question, guys. Let me see the instruction. It's weird. Okay, so there is something like this we have to do first. With this, you have to hold it and assemble it over here like this. See how it gets assembled and it becomes a branch of a tree. So yeah, you have to fix it like this. It gets attached to it over here like this. Yeah, and then you get this chameleon. Let him roll over here like this. It can hold it, I think. Yeah, it can hold it here. You get the second piece over here and just put it back like this. I think it gets broken in between a little bit, but yeah, you can separately add it over the branch afterwards also. Not a big deal. It's just your kids need to play it. They can play anyhow, any like they want. That's all. So the speciality of this, sorry, at fall, the speciality is it changes color and temperature. So if you put in freezing temperature, the color will change to green, as this is a chameleon. And here it is. Nice. Let's open it and see what we get. Oh, this is a fish. Actually nice. They are thoughtful in some things. Okay. I think the fish is movable, but it's very quite easy. Yeah? Just have to attach it here, this piece. Okay, you have to get this piece, attach it over here, and you can see how it moves, right? Yeah, thoughtful. You can it can move left, right also, up, down. Nice. This is also nice. So that's all for this Kinder Joy part 1, guys. We'll meet in next part with more animals. Until then, stay subscribed. We will be getting more Kinder Joy on our channel. So keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.